Daily Dose with Dr. Cristin. I'm Dr. Cristin Fitzpatrick, International Healthcare Professional of the Year and Director of the Mediterranean Brain and Spine Center, home to Malta's award-winning international team of specialists. Here's the Daily Dose. We're focused on what truly matters, helping you and your family stay healthy, balanced, and thriving every day.
Welcome back to the Daily Dose. Today we're going to be sharing a story of a patient who suffered with fibromyalgia, sleep problems, constipation, chronic pain, anxiety, depression. When this patient came in, they had a list of a diagnosis from 12 different healthcare providers, but they didn't know what to do. During our journey together, I said, of course I can help you. We went through an intense case review on everything that had happened and be able to break down different types of therapies that are going to help this patient reach certain levels of health and function are like no other. This patient came in, they couldn't walk. They had balance problems. They were using a cane, and through our journey together, they come into their visits now wearing high heels. Nothing more can be said for how do we treat the brain, how do we get the brain to function better, how do we improve gut health and help reduce chronic pain and inflammation in our patients from all over the world.
Bonġu Marija.
Bonġu Dajen.
Kif inti? Mela.
Tajba, grazzi.
You're welcome. Mela, jiena tqajt miegħek fi frar u niftakrek dieħla propju ġol klinik, dieħla bil-bastun u bil-kemm tista' timxi. Tiftakru dak iż-żmien?
Niftakru.
Tixtieq tgħidli daqsxejn dwar l-istorja x'ġalek tidħol ġol klinik u tikkontattjana?
Jiena kont immur hydropool. Kien hemm terapista, kont vera dawn. L-iston kom minn fuq. Kont qed inħossni vera bloated. U irsuġġeriet li biex niġi hawnhekk.
U jekk ikolli nsaqsik x'tib ta' trattamenti u x'tib ta' servizzi għamilt hawnhekk?
Hawnhekk għamilt il-chiropractor, balance, wellness program, massage, therapy massage.
All right. U kif qed tħossok illum il-ġurnata compared ma kif kont qiegħda tħossok qabel?
Irxu xtajt. Rġajt walit mill-ġdid.
Amazing. Għandek xi kliem li tista' tagħti kuraġġ bliema tista' tagħti kuraġġ il-ħadd ieħor li bata mill-istess affarijiet, forsi tista' tgħidilna daqsxejn dwar inti kif kont qed tħossok il-problemi kollha. Ħalli dak li jkun meta jista' jispira ruħu minn għandek jgħid tara jiena wkoll għandi l-istess ħaġa. X'tip ta' kif ħossejtek issa compared ma' qabel?
Issa tinħossni b'saħħti, iktar enerġetika. Faċendi ma kontx qed nagħmel bil-mod u nistrieħ imma qed nagħmilhom. Kont insejjar fuq xfarajnejja qed insejjar normali. Għandi t-tifel qed nħossibu iżjed qed inħossni ħafna ħjar.
Apparti minn hekk naf li anke inqas xi ftit dress sizes ukoll u naqsitlek xi naqra infjammazzjoni u qed biddilt anke xi dress sizes ġifieri titwajdilna daqsxejn dwar dik ukoll li kienet side effect?
Side effect ħafna minn XXL inżilt medium.
Amazing, proset kbira. Għal dak in-nies li qed jarawna illi qed jgħaddu mill-istess problemi, forsi qed jaħsbuha qegħdin xettiċi, forsi marru għand ħafna nies u ma kellhomx soluzzjonijiet. Għandek xi kelma ta' inkoraġġament għalihom?
Jien ninkoraġġihom biex jibdew it-terapija għax lili għajntuni ħafna. U napprezza ħafna x-xogħol tagħkom li għamiltu miegħi.
U aħna napprezzaw lilek.
Diane, thank you so much for being a part of Maria's team that we had here at the Mediterranean Brain and Spine Center. It's been really beautiful to watch her journey from a woman that wasn't able to walk independently when she came in here to a woman that walks in here smiling in a pair of high heels. This has been a beautiful journey to watch unfold over the past few months. So the journey and the transformation has gone quite quickly. Can you share with me some of your favorite moments about working with Maria?
Yes, of course. I remember Maria walking in just 4 months ago, back in February, and I remember her walking in with a cane. She looked like she was in pain. She looked like she was inflamed. And now we joke about it. She was actually leading with her belly. So she had quite a bit of belly fat and high levels of inflammation as well. So to see her transform completely and to actually wear heels completely, wear new clothes. She's enjoying shopping as well. Apart from that, she's gone down from a size extra large to a size medium as well. She's more independent, enjoying life a little bit more. Her emotional health is better, her sleep is better. And what I liked about her was that she was coachable from day one. She was ready. She really gave us that trust. She put her trust in us, and she saw that it wasn't just one set of eyes looking at her. It was your eyes looking at her, my eyes looking at her. It was a whole team really ensuring that inflammation levels go down, that she's able to really turn her life the way it's supposed to be. And I believe that, imagine, this is what happened in 4 months, imagine in the future, the best is yet to come for her, I believe.
Yeah, especially at certain stages of life, we want to look forward towards the future. And I think this was a really hard thing for her to do after suffering for so many years, and what she was doing, it wasn't working, and she needed to find some type of solution. A big part of what we do is finding the cause of what's creating all the miscommunication, all the signals of pain, all those feelings and those emotions that are cropping up. And it's not because it's a situation that somebody is in their life, but it's the way that their body is functioning and helping them get through it. So she's this woman that just holds her family together, and she has to be strong and independent first. And that's what I told her on the first visit. I said, we have to get you back. I said, you have your husband, you have your kids, you have your students that you need to take care of. And these types of things, really just bringing the focus and the attention back onto her health is going to allow her to have that strength, that confidence, that energy that she needs to get back to just living her life. And I'm so excited for what's to come in her future. Because it's just, she's absolutely radiant. And I know you are a huge step in the process on being able to decrease the inflammation, being able to help get those bowel movements moving. Let's talk about this, because so many people suffer with these problems. And when we know we can get their brain back online and we can get the brain connected to the body, that cycle of what is supposed to happen is going to fall back into place. So thank you so much for being a part of the team.
It was a huge pleasure, as always.
Amazing. And if there's any patients out there who are curious and you are not sure where to start, please contact our clinic. We just start with a simple case review. I offer these in person for people that are here from Malta, and then also from abroad. We can have a virtual connection, a telehealth connection, and talk about all of your case history before you choose to come to Malta for us to help get your brain and spine sorted. So thank you so much for joining us on the Daily Dose, and we hope to see you soon.